Black Saturday. May binigay oh.
Opo.
Para sa pag-boat.
Doon sa amin.
Butuhan na ba? Kailan ba ang butuhan? Yeah, look. Look. Look, Tony. This is where I live. You can see a basketball court. Oh my God. That's my mom. And the servant we have. There is 2 more servant left in the house. They walk the dog every morning. So this place called Gran Europa. Yeah. Basketball. Party list oh. Kailan ba election? Little bit windy. Windy cold din naman. Ewan ko lang kung anong temperature. There is seven subdivisions are located in this area. This is called Gran Europa. Gran Europa. You can see there's a guard there. You can see the what do you call that, clubhouse. So if there is an event, birthday, Christmas party, debut, you can rent that place. Before, the cost of rent is 500 peso. So this is where okay. Plants. We used to walk every morning because just exercise, di ba? It's nice. They said it's nice for a cardio ang walking. Ayan, hirapan naman akong dalhin ito. Nice houses. Yan. Hindi ko pala ayos yung aking buhok. So let's just sit here for a while and wait for my mom. I can see the chicken. There's plant. Ano bang tawag ng kamuting kahoy? Kamuting kahoy is a kasaba. Kasaba, that one is a kasaba. Pwede pala nating ipalapit. Give me a second. Okay, yan. Nice, di ba? Mas malapit siya. Layo nga naman nung kanina. So I will sit here for a while waiting for my mom. Yes, so today is my mom's birthday. Di ba? Hindi ko naayos yung buhok ko. Bakit ganito ang mata ko pagka umaga? Iba talaga. Sabi nila, that is a sign of you have a problem on the heart. Makikita daw sa eyes. Yung parang, ano bang, bulky ba tawag niyan? Look at my eyes, oh. Para siya namamaga na hindi mo maintindihan. So, ano ko yan sa Google, sabi nila, pag ganyan daw ang eyes ng isang tao, it seems like there is a problem on the heart, which is right, because I have a problem on the heart. Diba? Nako. So, yan. I probably go to Cebu with my mom maybe after the Holy Week. Yeah, but actually my sister and my niece was here already. So iniisip namin kung sasabay ba kami ni mama. Kaya lang we need an appointment kasi for that MRI in Cebu. So sabi ko kay Nicole, kailangan niya akong ipalista ahead kasi baka 15 days pa yon, ganun. Oh. Sabi ko nakakahiya naman mag-stay ka doon ng 15 days. Sabi ni Nicole, ang dami daw bahay doon, ang dami daw kwarto. So kahit daw kami matagal doon, sabagay wala naman akong ano dito, si Begel lang naman. Kasi pwede naman akong umalis, di ba? Pwede naman akong magbakasyon ng matagal, di ba? Hindi katulad dati nung buhay pa si Gaga ko, syempre hindi ako masyado makaalis. When my cat is still alive, syempre hindi ako pwedeng umalis na matagal kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng iwan. No one will look after on her. Yeah, but my cat is already gone. She's in heaven now in Rainbow Bridge last February. 2 months, magto 2 months na. 2 months na pala siya namatay. February 8 si Gaga namatay, ang bilis. Diba? The time passes so mabilis, diba? Kasi February 8 and then ngayon is ano na, April 19 na nga ngayon eh. Dapat nung April 8, 2 buwan na si Gaga. So 2 buwan na siyang mahigit na wala. I miss you, Gaga ko. Pero hindi ko naman siya ano, yan na may miss ko siya pero palagi ko naman siyang kasama. And this is my cat, Gaga. Look. So yan, nakita nyo, libreng pamaypay dahil sa botohan. Actually hindi ako na ano, nice ang plants. Oh. Diba? Hindi ba tayo pupunta sa basketball court? Dali, hintay mo ako, ma. That is a basketball court. Sandali, ma, baka ka madulas. Ma. Sandali, baka ka madulas.
Magaling.
Pag unang lakad ko, ang sakit dito ko, oh.
Balik at sa balakaw?
Hindi, ngayon nawala na eh. Pag una ba, tapak ko sa lupa.
Masakit ang balakang mo?
Wala na. Dito dapit. Kanina, butob, murag bukog. Kumakain naman ako sa para bukog.
Ibaba ko nga muna ito. Nahirapan ako na may hawak-hawak akong susi. So, I'm gonna put it down here. Ayan, oh. Mahirap kasi may daladalang ano, susi. So, here we go. This is the basketball court. Ilang days na akong hindi nag-walk. Yeah, I'm glad kasi yung aking channel. Day, baka tumakbo yan, ha? Begel! Tatakbo yan doon, habulin mo. Begel. Saan ka pupunta? I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna show you around there. Oh, look, Tony. Look at that.
Okay, lalayo ah.
This is a place called Gran Europa. Look at that. Oh, diba, Tony? Oh, look. Oh. That is the, ano ba tawag nito? Clubhouse. This is the houses here in the Philippines. There is a lot more bigger than this one. Bigger houses, di ba? So, mag-walk. Yeah. My mom is turning 77. So, every morning, ganito ang ginagawa namin, nag-walk kami. Binaba ko kasi may dala akong ano, nahirapan akong hindi yung susi ko. Yeah, so mga ilang rounds, mga 5 rounds. Look at that. Look at that place. Is it nice? Is it nice? You know, here you can buy a house here that costs about 2 million Philippine money. I don't know how much is that in US dollars. Yeah. So just like that one, but that one might be not 2 million na ngayon because it's already naayos na. So naayos na means rebuild. Yeah, but that is not for sale. That one, that's not for sale. I can tell those are for sale. Yeah, oh, yan. Oh, nice, diba? Kitang-kita mong malapit. Kaya pala minsan, pag nagbablog ako, sabi ko, ang layo, pwede mo naman palang lakihan. So, basketball. When you arrive here, I will bring you here. So that you can walk. We can, ay, nako. Minsan hinihingal ako. May light pala dun, oh. Minsan hinihingal ako while walking. Kasi nga, di ba, meron tayong problem sa heart. What they saw on my heart is not only the blood clot. Yung kasi yung sabi nila the last time, blood clot. And then, meron siyang, yung mass na tinatawag nila, parang bukol. Parang cyst, di ba? Pag tinawag nilang mass is parang tumor. When they call it mass, just like tumor na nasa heart. So, very rare pala yung nagkakaganon. So, I don't know if it's hereditary namin. Yeah. Kaya minsan mahirap din yung nagpapacheck up kasi nalalaman mo yung sakit mo, di ba? Yeah, at least, kung hindi ako nag-collapse, o hindi ako nag-collapse, hindi pa ako magpapacheck up ng general check up kasi siyempre inalam nila what is the reason na nag-collapse ako. I don't know if it's because ng stress ko nung nawala yung cat ko, when I lost my cat, maybe because I'm stressed or na-depressed or I don't know. So, yan. Kaya lang ang buhay ni Brit Pinay. I keep how many days na hindi ako nag-walk? Yeah. Kasi na-busy tayo. But I'm glad because I'm back. Yeah, I won't do it again. I will avoid the restriction on my channel. Kasi I didn't know na hindi pala pwede yung mga mag-play ka ng mga jazz music sa channel mo. Sometimes hindi pala okay. So, it depends on the song that you wanted to play sa iyong channel para hindi kayo magkaroon ng restriction. Oh, nice ba yung eyeglass ko, guys? Ayan, klarong-klaro yung mata mo, kitang-kita, hindi ba? Hindi ba nanonotice yun na sa mata ko? Parang pulpy ba tawag doon? Bulky, maumbok, di ba? Pag sinabi mong bulky, it's maumbok. Maumbok siya na hindi ko alam bakit nagkaganyan yung eyes ko. Hindi naman dating ganyan. It's maybe because nga na meron tayong problem sa heart. So I hope pagkagaling sa Cebu, yun na. Pagkatapos ng MRI, makikita nila kung anong medication ang ipuput nila sa iyo. Either ano daw nakita ko, chemotherapy. Not chemotherapy. Radiation therapy. Radiation daw ang ginagawa dun sa mga nakikita nila na may mass kasi para siyang may bukol. Pag sinabi kasing mass, para siyang may cyst. So nira-radiation nila pala. That's why they need to see it kung anong problem ng aking heart. Kasi sabi ba naman ganun, advice for TEE at saka MRI. Ibig sabihin may nakita sila something. Ay, ano yun? For rent na naman yung house. Ayan o, for rent na naman yung house dyan. Natatawa ako. Ayan, there's a store there, Tony. Oh, look. Yeah, store, mini store. But we have a big supermarket here inside. Next time, I will do the vlogging na magbi-video. I will upload a video. And maybe today, because it's my mom's birthday. Lahat naman tayo ano ba to, talagang magkakaroon tayo ng sakit when we get old. Makikita natin yung mga possible na sakit kasi yung mga organs natin is tumatanda din. Yeah. Sometimes here I talk Tagalog and English because Tagalog, I have a lot of followers which is living in the Philippines, but of course I need to speak English as well because I have followers from all over the world. So shout out sa tita ko in Australia. Kamusta ka na, tita? And of course to Kelvin. And of course to my cousin Barbie in the UK. Sino pa? Si Tony in the UK. My friend Tony in the UK. Some of my friends from Canada. And of course to you, Tony. So I have a lot of friends who is following my channel. Nice houses, right? There they are. Another round. $30. It should be 30 minutes. Kailangan yung i-upload mo sa iyong YouTube. Pag long video, it should be 30 minutes. Some people, they do it more than 30 minutes. Sa mga 1 hour. That house, you see that house? She got a lot of cats. Yeah, just like me before. Yeah, that one. She bring the cats. The cats is from Saudi Arabia, because they are a couple and then they work in Saudi Arabia, and then when they move to the Philippines, they bring those cats with them to the Philippines. That's why they have a lot of cats. Yeah. Alright, I just miss my Gaga again, my cat Gaga. Si Gaga, I've been ilang years, 14 years and 6 months, and then I lost her last February 8 because illness. Nagkaroon siya ng illness na actually I don't know what's the reason. Ano lang, nagpop lang siya ng black. It's just like siguro sa stomach yon, or ano bang tawag nun sa hemorrhoids, parang ganun. So it's just so quick na okay siya, and then the next day nagpop siya ng black. But I know naman, nagpo-poop siya palagi ng paulit-ulit. Ilang beses in a day. But I thought that is only for the, ano ba tawag nun sa mahilig sa milk? Ay, hindi mahilig sa milk. Yung bawal sa milk. Yung, nakalimutan ko tuloy. Nakalimutan kong word. Basta yun. Yung intolerance sa milk. Meron siyang ganon because I was giving her milk every day since nung young pa si Gaga. So I thought that is the reason. That's why she keep on poop. Siguro sa isang araw she poop maybe 4 or 5 times. I thought that is only normal. Lactose intolerance. Yeah, got it. Yeah, so I thought she got lactose intolerance. It's because of the milk. So yun, pinabayaan ko lang na ganun lang siya, pero hydrated naman siya kasi umiinom naman siya ng water, mga kinakain naman niya ng mga cat food. Ano naman, pag sinabing kumain kasi siya ng can na cat food, hindi sila madidehydrate kasi matubig daw yung can na cat food. Siguro talagang oras na rin niya, kaya lang it's so sad kasi hindi na siya umabot ng 15 years. 14 years and 6 months siya. So 4 months na lang sana. Magpi 15 years na siya. Yeah, she's my baby. Kaya nasad din ako nung nawala siya. So sabi ni mama, maybe that's the reason why I collapsed and naging unconscious ako. It's just because I was heartbroken ba tawag doon? Or masama ang loob, or mourning ba I mourn pala yung nagluluksa in Tagalog, mourn. So that is what they told me. Maybe that's the reason, pero that is not the reason because they really find it that I have a problem on the heart. So yun, nakita nila na meron akong parang tumor, just like tumor, because when they says it's a mass, pag tinawag kasi nilang mass, that is a tumor. So parang tumor siya sa heart. So hindi natin alam. So nakakasad, pero alam niyo naman ang buhay talaga natin may katapusan, diba? We don't know. Just like my auntie last month, she was fell on the floor and then she died on the same day. So we don't know how long will be our life dito sa earth. Yeah, but at least yung Gaga ko, at least my cat, I look after on her for 14 years and 6 months. So I give her the best life that I can. So I'm sure she's happy. Yeah, but I'm sad because I lost her. I don't have a cat now. So it's time to focus for myself. But I know my cat is always with me. She was watching over me on the heaven. Sa Rainbow Bridge. Yeah, nung mga previous days na, months na I lost my cat, she visits me. I can sense, I can feel her in the house. Yeah, that's true. I can feel her, and then I saw her on my dreams because before that night, nagme-meditate ako. And then I asked my cat Gaga to please show me if you're okay in Rainbow Bridge or in heaven. I just want to know if you're okay. And then the next day, I dream about her. So she saw on my dreams. So at least now I know that she was happy. I miss her. I will love her forever because she is my cat. It makes me sad and cry sometimes when I remember, or even if I saw a cat. That's why chicken. When I saw a cat neighbors, sometimes I feed them because I'm a cat lover actually. I'm gonna show you the chicken. Yeah. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken. It's a chicken banana. Uso yun sa TikTok, di ba? Yung chicken banana. Oh, ayan oh, nice. There is a playground there before. Yeah. But occasionally, they just put it occasionally. Pag summer. Actually, summer na dapat na hindi. Oh, that's a chicken. Native chicken. Oh, diba guys? Oh. Ay, tinanggal na nilang stage dito. Bakit tinanggal na nila? Pag may event kasi sometimes maganda dyan sila. Nag-aano ng ano. Yung pag may live band, go back there. So, the start of my new journey in life. Yeah, ikukwento ko sa iyo the story next time sa aking next vlog. Yes, new journey on my life. Sana yung susi? Baka nga makalimutan ko yung susi. Another round. Ilang round na ba tayo? Begel, pagod ka na bigla, boy.
Nagkaroon na yung dila niya.
Ang kalabas na yung dila niya. Dapat magpa. Pang ilang round na ba yun? I haven't counted. How many rounds? Yeah, so that's it. I'm glad to be back on my YouTube channel. I thought I won't regain my channel anymore because of that restriction thing, but I promise I won't do that again. So aware na ako na talagang yung mga yung mga music hindi talaga dapat kahit na paano music, di ba? Kasi actually jazz music na nga yung pinapatugtog ko. Begel. Jazz music na yung pinapatugtog ko pero nagkaroon pa rin ako ng problem. So I guess it's better na ganito na lang tayo. Diba? Yung ganito na lang, magbablog ka na lang, avoid the music. Even on a live stream, I do that on my live stream. So I put soft jazz music. I thought it's okay. But I didn't know na merong restriction yun. So doon ako nagkaroon ng restriction. Pero bakit yung iba? They are playing it on YouTube. I don't know anong pagkakaiba nun and sa aking channel. So but anyway, let's just do a regular thing here on YouTube, the vlogging, diba? Vlogging, travel vlogging, animal, funny animal video. Oh, the plant is died. That's what do you call that? Mango tree. That is mango tree. Pagod na siguro si Begel. Kawawa naman si Bikla Buy-Boy. What would be happen today? On my mom's birthday, we are complete. Yeah, my sister was here. My niece was here. On May, my other niece will be arriving from America. Actually, I have a lot of relatives in America. American citizen. They are all American citizen, but I've never been to America yet. But soon I will be going to America with Tony. But Tony wanted to move here in the Philippines. Yeah, next time. And then we will go to the UK. Di ba? Tutuloy si Begel, oh. Sabi ni Begel, ano ba itong mga to? Pagod na ako.
Nag-iikot ng ikot.
Pagod na ako. Maybe the dog is tired. Ayan. So, I hope it's gonna be fun. Yeah, and I hope you will love it here in the Philippines. Yeah. But it's like what he said. He needs to work on the summer in, is it Wyoming or Miami? Kip says it's Miami. I said, just like not Miami, just like Wyoming. Yes, so he will work there for the summer. I don't know. And then soon he will be moving here in the Philippines. Try to live here in the Philippines. It's nice here in the Philippines. Did you know, Tony? It's cheap cost of living, cheap houses. Actually, it's cheap houses. Yeah, I'm not saying cheap for me. Cheap. I mean, the cost of the houses in the Philippines, it's more cheaper than houses in America or in UK, o diba? So it's cheaper here. Yeah, and then I hope our dreams will be fulfilled. Yeah, that's my dream long time ago, to have those like food truck. They call it food truck here. We have here the food truck, but not here in Cagayan de Oro. We have food truck here in the Philippines, in Manila, in Makati. Yeah, but only few. And then about that floating restaurant, we have also few. Three of them. I saw 3 of them here in Cagayan de Oro. But of course, if you wanted to do in different location in Mindanao, we can do it. Yeah, but we need to find a right place. And then ilang square meter kaya yung mga yan, land sa sea. But I hope we can get, at first maybe we can get a rent ng yung yung floating restaurant. And if ever we will buy, we need to find out if it's legal, because it's on the sea, and the sea is a property of the government, so we need to find it out. Yeah, what's that? You buy legal land. If not that floating restaurant, we will just do the karaoke bar and restaurant. But if I were you, I just love that floating restaurant, all in one together. Floating restaurant, and then at night you will do the karaoke thing there. Yeah, so that's nice. I love that. I hope our dreams will be fulfilled. Yeah, we will work hard together. Okay, I'll just be always on your side, on your back. Yeah, I will be your assistant chef. I work as an assistant chef when I was in the UK. As kitchen assistant chef. My chef is Filipina, married to a British national. Yeah. So I can be your assistant chef now. Just teach me what to do. I should learn from you. Tara na. My mom says we're going. So I just get this one. I left this one. This is my key, room key. And then the sandali, awakan kita. Party list. Sandali ma, matutumba ka dyan. Minsan natumba ka dyan eh. Mama, sinabi ng sandali. Hindi. Di ba natumba ka dyan minsan? Ala, si Begel tumatalon pala dyan. Ako na. Natumba siya dyan minsan, day. Sino ba?
Noon, kasi nakatingin ako doon sa tao. May kausap ako. Nasabit yung sinila. Nasabit ka. Nasaan na si Miguel? Okay. Tawid na tayo. Tawid. Salamat.
Ang mga bulaklak ko. Ay, ang ganda na yung walang dahon yung bulaklak.
Asan?
Lahat bulaklak. Pares din sa atin nito, naputi.
Panahon na eh, panahon. Sa ibang bansa,
Season.
may mga bulaklak na.
Season ngayon ng fall. Ay, ano, summer. Ops, may sasakyan, Begel. This is for sale. Look. Look at the houses here. This one is for sale.
Pamaypay mo din, kinuha.
Dito. Kailan ba election? Mayo. Election day is May 12. This one, this house before, there's a lot of cat living on this house, but they move. Oh, car in the Philippines is small. You can get a bigger car if you want. It depends on what kind or brand of car. Nakatapang. Ma'am, pakihawak mo na nga lang yung akin. Nahirapan ako kasi. Nahawak akong cellphone. Nakatapang mo ito. Nasunod.
Mainit na, oh, tignan nyo.
Sani.
Alas 7 na.
7 na ba? 7
Alas
a.m.
7 na yung talagang, ano, no, lalabas. 7 o'clock.
Look at the houses. For sale lang. Lalalala. May doggies. Oh. Magkamukha, kambal siguro to.
Ay, ay. Away.
Good morning. Ang away daw, baby. Mga away. Wala, bigil. Ang laki ng bigil.
Kasi tatahimik ng tubig. Dito tayo, dun na.
Dito na.
Dito.
Mm-mm.
Mainit kasi.
Calle Apinado.
Ihe. Ihi ka, ihi.
Ayun si ano pa mo, naglalakad. Ganon yung gustong bilhin ni Matit na dog. Ano siya? Poodle.
Ako hindi kapot kakain.
Plants. So data di karuba tayo ni mag kamasabat ta. Matalakay. Tadi karuba di sango mama naman. Yan ang park. Good morning, sir. Oh, that is malunggay. Malunggay vegetable. Look. Ang cute ng aso, oh. Yan ba yung girlfriend mo, Begel?
May anak niya siya.
Yan yung girlfriend mo? Girlfriend niya.
Malalaki na yung anak niya. Kuya.
Ipalapit mo, Day.
Malalaki na yung anak niya.
Oh. Begel yan yung girlfriend mo? Ma, sandali. Tinitingnan niya.
Pinamigay niya?
Is that your girlfriend, Begel? Oo. Hindi naman marunong mga asawa si Begel. Mas malaki kasi yung sa inyo. Ala, yan ang girlfriend mo, Begel. Ah, sige, bye-bye. Come. The one who lives here is from Europe. There, France. Yeah. Ayan, ah. Yeah. This is our house. And then at the back. Yun yung kapitbahay natin sa harap. Look, they clean it. This is for sale. The land. If you buy that land, you will make a house. It depends on what size of the house you wanted to. They said before they will do this as a park, children's park. I don't know. There's a dog there. It's fun. Our neighbor. And this one is a massive house. Look. Oo nga. That's our neighbors. Ay, Pam Pam. Ganyan yung bibili ni Matet Day. Ganyan. Ganyan yung bibili niya, Pam Pam. Ah. Pam Pam. Ganyan yung bibili ni Matet. Uy, si Pam Pam yan,
Kaya
ah.
man kukunin.
Ay, ewan ko.
Pero nakita na mo natin.
Ay, hindi pa. Yung nagdadala kay Pam Pam. Ah,
Anak ko.
anak niyo yun?
Si Joby.
Anak niyo di ay?
Nila ko yung si Joby, yung dyan sa clerk sa office. Ito ko.
Sister-in-law. Okay. Bye, Pam. Andyan, nagtatrabaho nga sa office.
Sa office ang trabaho.
Alam, Mingming, oh. Alam, I'm gonna give. Mingming, I'm gonna give them food. Hindi ka na, ma. Wala, Mingming, kawawa. Ala, bakit may ilaw? Oh, this is a neighbor's cat. I'm gonna give them food. Give me a second. Yeah, go inside. Oh, it's very clean now. Very clean. Look at the ano. Okay. Hindi ka na, ma. Ang init na. Kele. That is kele. Kawawa. Kawawa ako. Maging
Maano ka na.
Ako na, lalabas ako. Akit ka? Sabi mo. Hoy, Kele. Hindi ka na mag-CCR. Okay.